Hi guys! Welcome to K2M! So today we have the new Incredibles game for the Nintendo Switch here. So the game is 1 to 2 players. You can play it on the TV, on by yourself, or just stand it up like this and take out the controllers with 2 people, 1 to 2. And so it's this game is based on the new Incredibles 2 movie, and I'm pretty sure the 1 movie too, both. So it's based on both of the movies. So if you haven't watched them, this is what that game is based on. So this is how it looks. Back. So now let's open it up. So we're opening it up. Stop, Muaz. Wait, you're gonna put it in. Ready? Whoa. There, okay. Let's open it up. So yeah. Inside, here's the little game chip. And cheat codes. Paper with cheat codes and other stuff. So yeah. So now let's take out the game. You want to put it in, Muaz? Put it in. Other way. Just holding it up to you. Yeah. Oh no. So let's put that in. Yep. Put that here. This kind of came off. Let's just put it back on. So yeah. Got it back on. You got it back on. So now let's close that. And there we go. And we got another game. Lego Incredibles. Lego The Incredibles. Yep. It's downloading. This is how it starts. How do you play? So you just move it. Let's see. Let's take the controls out. That's the one. And now you can also play 2 players. So we'll show you this. So 2 players. Yeah. So right now, left is the thing that's moving it. So Ollie, you may have to press plus. Stop, Moz. So let's go and play. Yeah. Now Ollie's playing. Right now I'm this guy. So no.
Okay, why?
So it says for me to press this to attack, Y to attack, combo. This is fun.
Ooh, fun. Switch, fun. Come on, switch to me.
So yeah. So you guys get the idea of the game. So now you guys get like the idea of the game. You have to defeat the whole thing until like the end of the movie and stuff. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like our channel videos and please subscribe to our channel. Bye.